If you want your Android phone to automatically answer phone calls when your hands are full, we will show you how to turn it on or off if you want. We're using Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra for this video, but this will work on any other Android smartphone if they have this option. Now, since the Samsung or other Android phone's interface is slightly different, to check if your phone has this feature or not, what you can do is from Settings, search for Call Settings or Auto Answer, whatever is comfortable to you. When you find it, enter this option. First of all, if you want to enable it, just turn it on. If you're using a Samsung phone, to use it, you must connect a Bluetooth headphone or buds to your device. You can select after how long the phone will auto-receive your call, or you can select a custom time for it. So whenever there is a call, your device will automatically pick it up after that selected time period. And for some reason, if you want to disable it, you can do it from the same spot. Thanks for watching.